going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. We got this sump pump that's backed up. We tried messing with the power. It's still not working. So we're gonna pull it out and see if maybe there's something lodged in the pump. This is a new pump?
Yeah.
I'm going the right way. Can you do me a favor, Kevin? Can you plug that in?
Okay.
I heard it kick on.
Oh, yeah?
Feels like there's something jamming it up. But it's gonna be that
New pump.
yeah. Where does this water come from? No, but like, so this is just the groundwater, probably from outside? No, this is getting pumped out. Yeah. So the only thing I could see that would be coming in here, that's the elevator pit over there, right? So it's not that. So it's just...
This ain't working, it goes fast. It goes up.
So yeah, they're gonna have to replace this. So
I don't know, do you want it on the job? Just get the part and then come
So I'll give them a call when I'm out of here. Hey Frank, did you get a call for the boiler room sump pump? Okay, I guess Dan didn't put it in. Their sump pump is shot here. He says it's okay for tonight, but would we be able to get somebody here tomorrow with the sump pump? Yeah. Inch and a quarter? Inch and a half? Yeah, inch and a half. Yeah, it's the Liberty pumps. He said it was just replaced not too long ago, but it's a quarter horse. Yeah. But, okay. Yeah. All right, thanks. Bye. No problem. Bye. Yeah, he said he'll send somebody tomorrow morning. Okay? So I'm just going to leave this out. There's no point in me putting it back in. And we'll go from there. It's an easy swap. Like this is already loose. All right? So literally they'll just put the new, yeah, super easy. We'll go from there. What's that? That's it.